Hello everyone, my name is Amith M G. I'm from Sagar, Shimoga district, Karnataka. I've completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science at Jalapa Institute of Technology, Doddaballapur, and my year of pass out is 2025. Uh, in my college, I've got selected for the QSPIDERS through an incubation program, and later in the QSPIDERS, I opted for software testing, wherein a Selenium automation tool with Java, and later I've completed all the courses, all the training courses, and I would like to thank all the QSPIDERS team Basavanagudi with the HR teams especially, and Rajat sir who took Selenium for us. And I've got around 18 requirements, on which 10 were scheduled and 8 is away in turn with the package according to the company standards. And I would like to thank each and everybody. And in my interview process, there were only 3 rounds. That one was the online assessment, where I had 10 to 12 MCQ questions and 2 coding part from the Java coding. And next was the technical round. In technical round, they asked mainly about manual testing questions, and complete manual was there. And based on automation, it was basic automations like the locators or some basic concepts and frameworks and test ng such things. And yeah, I would like to thank everybody here. As of that, I would like to thank the HR team who are organizing the grooming sessions for me. Before every interview, they used to conduct a few grooming sessions where, according to the company patterns, the trainers will come and groom us on those topics and help us to brush up all the topics if we have forgotten or if we have any doubts. They would sit like till the evening 8 9. We used to sit in QSPIDERS and take grooming sessions, and all the trainers would sit with us. And I would like to say, like, the whole QSPIDERS team will be taking your back until and unless you get a job. They will go to any extent to get you a job, and they will take your back till the last day you are at QSPIDERS. And yeah, that's all about it. Thank you.